Hello students, let's start question number 8 of exercise 13.1. We have a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeters. We have a cylinder like this. Height of the cylinder is 2.4 centimeters and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. This is a solid cylinder like a log of wood. We have scooped out a cone of the same height and same diameter. This we have taken out. What we have to find? We have to find the total surface area of the remaining solid in centimeter square. Now बच्चे, what we have to find? Total surface area of the solid, remaining solid. I have told you what we have to see. Let's suppose we have to paint this figure. We have to paint this remaining figure. What we have to paint? From here, this is hollowed out. We have to paint the CSA of cylinder and this base of the cylinder. What is base of the cylinder? A circle. And this portion of a cone. What is this portion? CSA of cone. Now, what will be the TSA of the solid of remaining solid? What will be it? It will be CSA of our cylinder. We can't take total surface area of cylinder because ऊपर वाला पोर्शन पे तो पेंट नहीं करना ना बेटा, दैट इज होलोड आउट. हमें कौन सा करना है? सिर्फ नीचे वाला. प्लस एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. व्हाट इज सर्कल? दिस पोर्शन ऑफ सिलेंडर प्लस CSA ऑफ कोन. क्लियर? व्हाट इज CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर? 2 pi RH plus what is the area of circle? Pi r square plus CSA of cone, that is pi r L. What is L? Slant height. Now what is common? Pi r is common. What is left? 2h plus r plus L. Now what is radius बच्चे? Radius is half of diameter, that is 1/2 into 14/10. Decimal हमने हटा दिया. 2 7s are 14. Radius is 7/10 or 0.7. You can take either of them. Now what we have to find out? We have to find L. What is L बच्चे? L is under root r square plus h square as per Pythagoras theorem. In a cone, we have a right circular cone. This is height of the cone, this is radius, and this is slant height. As per Pythagoras theorem, L square equals to r square plus h square. What is L? Under root r square plus h square. What will be the value of L? What is r square? 7/10 का whole square plus what is height? Height is 2.4, that is 24/10 whole square. Clear बच्चे? This is 49/100 plus 576/100. 49 plus 576 is root 625/100. What is root of 625? 25. What is root of 100? 10. So what is the value of L? 2.5 centimeters. Clear? Now putting the values, 22/7 into radius is 7/10, 2 into h, 2 into 2.4 plus what is radius? 7/10. I am writing is 0.7, 0.7 plus 2.5. 7 and 7 get cancelled. This is 22/10 into 2.4 into 2, 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. This is 22/10 into 4.8 plus 7, 5.5 plus 2.5, that is 8. This is 8 to the 16, 176/10, that is 17.6 centimeter square is the required area of the solid. Clear? Beta, pause the video and note it down. Let's do question number 9. Question number 9 is, a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. This time also beta we have a solid cylinder like a log of wood. एक सॉलिड सिलेंडर है बच्चे जिसमें से वी हैव स्कूप्ड आउट 2 हेमिस्फीयर्स ऑन बोथ द एंड्स। ये हमने स्कूप आउट कर लिया, इसको बाहर निकाल दिया। क्लियर? ये पोर्शन इज टेकन आउट। इफ द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज गिवन 10 centimeters and the radius is also given is 3.5 centimeters. We have to find the total surface area of the solid which is remaining. What will be the TSA of solid which is remaining? What we have to assume? We have to color it. Which portions we will color? This portion of cylinder. What is this? CSA of cylinder. Clear? Plus ये बच्चे आपने स्कूप आउट किया, ये जो अंदर का पोर्शन आपने उस लॉग में से स्कूप आउट किया वो बिना कलर के नहीं रहेगा। वी हैव टू कलर दैट ऑल्सो। प्लस CSA ऑफ वन हेमिस्फीयर प्लस CSA ऑफ दिस हेमिस्फीयर ऑल्सो, so we will write CSA of 2 hemispheres. Clear? What is the CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square और CSA of 2 is 2 into 2 pi r square. We will get 2 pi RH plus 4 pi r square. Taking out common, 2 pi r is common. What is left here? H. What is left here? 2r. That is 2 into 22 by 7. What is radius बच्चे? 3.5. We will write it as 35 by 10. आप डेसिमल हटा देते हो तो आपकी कैलकुलेशंस कंपैरेटिवली इजी हो जाती है बच्चे। दिस इज h. व्हाट इज h? 10 प्लस 2 इंटू 3.5। यहाँ हमने क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज 3.5 इंटू 2 7 करना ज़्यादा ईजी है। अब देखो बच्चे, 7 5 ज़ा 35, 5 इंटू 10, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 22 इंटू 10 प्लस 7 17, 17 into 22, 17 2s are 34, 34 and 3 37 centimeter square is the required area of the remaining solid. Clear बच्चे? Do it. We will do next exercise in the next class.